What's up? I'm already on the top live. What's up guys? So I'm shooting here. This is my Haveli that we are shooting. As you could see, it's very big, so I cannot. One second, still I'll try. Woohoo! This is our Haveli where we are shooting. So, wow! I'm shooting here in Srinagar. It's very cold. That's why I'm wearing this jacket. And I was having my scenes right now. Just got over right now, 10 minutes back. And now I've changed my costume. I'm into my normal dress. And I'm here live with you guys because I thought it's been a long time I'm live. Hi! What's the time here? It is 4:30, I guess. It's 4:47. Thank you. We're going to reach 1 million so soon. 7,000 left. I'm so excited, guys. So do keep following me. And sorry I'm not active on my like account because it's really tough for me to make like videos here. As I'm really busy shooting. I have scenes every day, and then I went into I went to Mumbai for my shoot again, for another shoot. Yeah, so I'm enjoying here. I'm shooting in this Haveli where we have so beautiful, you know, I'm sitting here in the lawn in this bagicha where this crane is there. I don't know why. And yes, so today I'm going to talk to you all, and I will text hi guys, and I'll pin my comment. Hi guys, I'm already on the top live. I'm so happy. Are you shooting for a film? Yes, I'm shooting for a film, which I'll let you know guys very soon what film and what is all about. It's really interesting, and we are shooting in Srinagar. It's really so freaking cold in here. It's so cold. I was so happy. I got such a good response. My post, I got 6,000 comments wearing the dupatta like that, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much for so many likes. I reached 1 lakh likes on them. So hi Aftab bhaiya, hi Filmy Gyan, how are you? So please tell me about yourself. What should I tell me about myself? I'm Anushka Sen, and I'm right now shooting in Srinagar where it's really cold. Hope you come to Indonesia. I missed your party. Yes, Filmy Gyan, I did miss you a lot. But मेरी special party बाकी है. मैं मुंबई आऊँगी और आप मुझे party देंगे. But yes, congratulations for 5 million followers. May you reach more million followers, and keep making your good content, amazing content, and yeah, all the best. You're shooting for a film? Yes, I am shooting for a film here and in Srinagar since few days. Hi. Yay, Filmy Gyan, Aftab bhaiya, you're very sweet. Hi Jilu. Hi Jenish, are you angry with me? No Fifu, I just saw your comment. Hi Fifu, how are you doing? Hi Anushka and Fabulous. How's your 10th going on? Amazing. Someone is laughing from the set. It's not me laughing. I'm wearing no makeup. No. No, no makeup. I miss you. Even I miss you guys. But yeah, I'm replying to your DMs. I am talking to you guys on Facebook. So yeah, just stay active. And I'm going to cross 1 million so soon. And I'm so excited for 1 million followers. It's just 7,000 left. Miss you, love. जल्दी आओ. हाँ आफ्ताब भैया, बहुत जल्द मैं आऊँगी वापस और मैं मिलूँगी आपसे. Jilu, Fifu, you guys come together and you guys comment together. Hi Alicia. Hi Putri Nisa. Hi Nisa, how are you doing? Hi Anushkan, fabulous. Hi Nida Khan. Hi Bebo Mehra, how are you? I am great. Hi Anu. Hi Jilu. Hi Sejal. Hi Praveen Kumar. Hi Naufal Ho lovers. Hi Avneek, how are you? Anushka Sain fan 04080, how are you? Really, I'm also so excited. I know I told your name, Avneek. Hi Avneek, so long you didn't go live. Yes, I didn't go live because I was shooting in Srinagar. Then I went back to Mumbai for another shoot. I had to remove my highlights because of this film which I'm shooting in Srinagar. So you can see it's full black. Hi Ritika, hi Anuri, how are you? I couldn't take up your call because I am shooting. I just got a break after hours. So yes, how are you Anuri? Hi Ashnoor, how are you doing SS? How is Mumbai going on? I heard some cyclone news, but take care you guys who are living in Mumbai. Hi Fira. Anu, I'm great. What about you? I'm great over here. I'm enjoying Srinagar so much. I'm enjoying Srinagar so much. I love this place. Okay, Putness. Your eyes. Thank you. Busy schedule. Yes. Very busy schedule. Very busy schedule. Oh my god, your hair looks best in every way, no matter you have highlights or not. Thank you Avni, thank you so much. ये 1 million की पार्टी चाहिए. ओके SS 1 million की पार्टी बहुत जल्द. वैसे ही मैं 1 million क्रॉस करूंगी, मैं मुंबई आके पार्टी दूंगी. यस. हाउ आर यू SS? व्हाट्स अप माय गर्ल? Love you so much. Thank you, Kriti Kartikya. How are you? Do you miss your home? Yes, I miss my mom a lot. I miss my school friends a lot. Yeah. But because I'm here shooting for a film, my mom is really happy about it. And when I went to Mumbai, I met her. She was really happy. And yes, we did miss each other. We are missing each other so much. But, you know, it's life. It's so good when you're shooting, and that too in a place like Srinagar, which is so beautiful. आपका बर्थडे कब आता है? 4th August. Christmas is coming. Are you excited? Oh my god, we will be celebrating 1 million and Christmas both. I guess before Christmas I'm going to reach 1 million. Me and Ritz missed you today at school. Oh, school? Ritika, did you come to school? I didn't know that. For what? खुश रहो बाल सखी, खुश रहो Hani. What's her name? Just comment down. Can you say good luck to me? Good luck, Liani. Good luck. We are proud of you. Thank you, Jilu. Thank you so much for supporting. I'm gonna try to be live more when I'm here. Whenever I'll get a shoot break, I'll be live. Oh, Alicia, that's so sweet. The first time I saw snow, it was so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. Gulmarg is so beautiful. I missed mom a lot that day in Gulmarg because me and dad, we went check your snap, Anuri. Okay, Ritz. Okay, Anuri, I'll check your snap. We are going to reach 100 streaks. Yeah, I'll surely check your snap. I didn't check my phone since morning, I guess. Not Snapchat, I did not. Happy birthday, Kylie. Happy birthday, Kylie. Stay blessed. Good luck, Anu. Have a blasting shoot. Thank you, Navjot. Vrishti! I get so happy when my school friends come on my life. How are you, Vrishti? I miss you guys so much. I miss you. I miss Nidhi. I miss Rushil. I miss Kisha. I miss everybody so much. Miss Ryan. I miss Satyam. I miss everybody. Miss you guys so much in Srinagar. Vrishti. Hi Angie, how are you? Hi Razina Noor. मुझे भी विश कर दो. All the best सचिन कश्यप. I hope you always happy and keep spirit. We love you so much. Thank you, Anushka and Fabulous. Yay, and 1 million soon. Of course, yes. Anuri, I'm so excited for 1 million. Woo! Yes, I remember you, Fifu. I told your name, Fifu. Ha! Ha, Prishti. Ha. Yeah, I don't miss you at all. I said I miss Nidhi, my best friend. I miss Sam. I miss Rushil. I miss Kisha. I don't miss you. That's just a joke. I really miss you all. Everybody in school. I'm missing them. Hi. Happy birthday, Ismat. Hi, Fira. Hi, Fira. How are you? Jilan Inaz Zakira Abbas. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Keep smiling from Uttar Pradesh. Anushkian. Thank you, Shashank. Thank you so much. Thank you, Debbie. Yes, 1 million very soon. Are you wearing a blue shirt under the jacket? I'm wearing this jacket. Then I'm wearing this sweatshirt which is blue. Then I'm wearing a sweater which is black. Then I'm wearing my thermals, which is another sweater. I'm wearing so many things here because it's very cold. Yeah, I cannot post my I couldn't post my videos because I was in Mumbai. Then I came back from Mumbai here. Then I was shooting continuously from today. So I was shooting continuously from 10 o'clock. So I didn't get time to make a video or anything. So sorry. Yes, Fifu, what happened? Why you're crying? Only 6k, you will get 1 million followers. Yes, Debbie, I'm so excited for 1 million. I'm so happy. When will you reveal about your film? Let's see. It depends when we are done with this film and everything. I'll reveal very soon. Which class? 10th standard. Hi Debbie. 1 million is so special, right? Of course 1 million is very special. Not only 1 million. Each count for me. Each followers for me is so important. So 1 million when I reach, I'm going to be so happy. I'm going to be on cloud 9. After live one, please like my post. Okay, Liani, I'll. What happened, Fifu? I don't understand. I missed chat with you again. Yes, Fira, I am still trying to reply everybody, at least in the group, so that everybody gets a chance. But yeah, where are you, bro? I am here in Srinagar, bro. Whom you're talking to? I'm talking to you guys. Yay! Yes, Debbie. No, Jilu, I don't remember. Sorry. I do remember, but I don't remember right now. I can't sing a song here. It's my set, so sorry. Happy birthday, Ismat. Bad signal, Nisa. Oh. Dear, pizza or burger? Don't ask me that question because I like both. I like both. It depends on my mood, like which I like. Sometimes I take burger, sometimes I take pizza. I like both of them. Where am I sitting? I'm sitting in the lawn, in this bagicha, in this garden. See, that's the apple tree. And then this is a crane, this is a haveli behind where we are shooting right now. And this is a paid where they have this sitting arrangement. There's a stone. So yeah. Okay, so I missed comments. Hi Bhavesh Magnani. It's my birthday today. Happy birthday, Jaswin. You're so pretty. Moni family. Thank you so much. Can you say good luck for my exams? All the best for exams. Kill it. No problem. My birthday is on 2nd January. Oh, your birthday is coming so soon. No, Fifu, actually, I did not get time to reply. I just saw your message and then I left for shoot. Then I came back and then I forgot. I love when you tie your hair like a high pony. Thank you. Hi, Arva. Hi, Devi. Hello, Amit Mehra. Nice placer. Thank you. Fifu on here, dear. Yes, I know, Fifu. I know my exams is on 11 to 22nd December. Can you say good luck for me? Good luck, Alicia. Do you like scared movie? I love horror films. Hello to my sister Anushka. Hi Anushka, I love that name. My birthday is on 2nd January. Okay. Yes, I'll wish you, Jilu. Where is your dad? My dad is here. He's there. Papa. Papa. Yes. Tomorrow English exam. Wish me. All the best, Fifu. Have a great exam. Write very well. All the best. Hi Tanvi, how are you? Hi Linda. Hi Shahzad. Lots of love, Elia. Thank you so much, Elia. My birthday is 15th February, Valentine's Day. Wow. No, Fifu, I'm not angry on you. Oh my god, you're looking like an angel. Thank you. Your hairs. Thank you. I colored them black. So nice. Thank you. I like your eyes and eyebrow, babe. Thank you so much. So right now what is, I have to go because my director sir might be calling me, so I'll go and get ready for my shoot. So see you guys very soon. I'm going to be like live like this only. I'll not tell you guys prior because I don't know when I'll be free. So as soon as I'm free, I'll come live. So do stay active. Hope you guys don't miss my live. And yeah, keep commenting on my posts. And yeah, 6,000 left for 1 million. Thank you so much guys for whatever you guys do for me. All the things, all the efforts. I really appreciate it.